Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can install and activate add-ons on Minecraft Bedrock. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, go to Marketplace, then you need to select add-ons. Then let's put, for example, let's search for free add-ons here. And then you just need to press on free, wait for a couple of seconds until it loads up. Then you need to press download button. Wait for a couple of seconds again until you get a download button. And press that button here and wait until content will be downloaded. Once it's downloaded, you can activate add-on here. But what I like to do here, I want to have my add-on, for example, on specific world. So I just need to press play, press pencil icon here, then go to behavior packs, then available, and then you should see that particular add-on and you can activate it like this. If you want to have this add-on on a new world, you can press create new world. And then press create new world here, and then look for behavior packs, and also you can activate that particular add-on. And that's pretty much it.